I wonder if I'm ever going to find a washing machine that I like. I just got these out of the washer. Brand new socks. I ran outside and throw them in the washer. The washer just has started. Okay, so here's my daughter's pants. They were outside playing in the dirt. Nothing major. But I would expect to put them in the washing machine and something come out little clean. Same way I put them in there, the same way they come out. I could probably hand wash them better than this. But I'm going to try and wash them one more time and see what happens. Okay, so throwing them in, as you can see. Oh, let's hope it works. I'm really beginning to hate Whirlpool washers, and there is no agitators at all. So, got my detergent and softener in there. And of course, 107 minutes it takes to wash a load of clothes. Normal wash. And it barely gives you any water, which I hate, unless I set it on deep water, which I shouldn't have to every time. So, in 123 minutes, we'll see what happens.